First, I imported the photo and adjusted the frame perfectly. Then I applied a soft hairstyle effect to give the image a stylish look. After that, I enhanced the lighting and smoothened the colors. Next, I added beauty filters to make the portrait more attractive. I carefully adjusted the opacity and blend for a clean edit. Then I worked on the background to create a soft web. After that, I fine-tuned the sharpens and face details. Finally, I added the finishing touch and saved the project.